So here we have a partial French drain system with a standard sub pump, dehumidification system, grate drain by the bulkhead, and a 4-inch clean out at the opposite end of the system. We'll start by looking inside of the sub pump container. Inside of here, we have a 3/4 horsepower stainless steel cast iron based sub pump. You can see the two 4-inch perforated pipes leading into the side of the sub pump container. That's where the water will be dumped in from around the perimeter of the foundation. When the container fills, the pump will automatically turn on, pump the water on out. This is the discharge line to the sub pump leading up and out of the house. And then of course we have the dehumidifier as well draining into the sub pump basin. If you look around the perimeter, this membrane here installed is to catch any water that could drip in through a tie rod, cracks. It goes behind the dimples. This goes down into the drain system, acts like a flashing material along the perimeter of the foundation to divert any water from the footing or the wall down into our drain. On the opposite end of the French drain system over here, we have a cleanout cap. This gives us the ability to always access the drain system for future maintenance. It also allows us to look right inside of the system, get a bird's eye view into the ground to tell us if there's any problems, clogs, backups, or water in the system. These can also be utilized by drilling a hole in the top square if we wanted to move the dehumidifier and drain the dehumidifier into a different location, because this will also lead down into the sub pump container. Coming over by the bulkhead doors in New England are always leaking water. We have a 5-inch wide, 40-inch long grate drain at the base of the stairs here, which is tied directly into the 4-inch pipe down below. If any water comes down through these doors or underneath this footing, it will stop right here in the grate drain, go into the pipe, go to the sub pump, and will not come like a waterfall across the basement, flooding out this basement.